And just like that, it's done. All right, so what do you think of that? That's my OzzyOcker Workbench that I should have built 20 years ago, but I've just built it now. I should have built it earlier. It's much better than any bench that I've ever worked with. I'm really happy with it. I've got some points to talk about. Attaching the tops to the frame here, what I've done is you've seen that there was tenons on top of the legs which lock the tops to the frame and it stops it from shifting sideways and whatnot, but it actually doesn't hold anything down. It's just the weight of the top that holds it down. So what I've done is I've got some coach bolts to go up through the rails underneath and into the bottom of the top to lock everything down, to pull everything down. Done that, so that's really good. I applied some leather to the front, or the vise, the HNT Gordon non-racking vise, just to help grip the timber just that little bit better. Obviously I've stained my sliding dead man blue and the cover plate blue. Why? I'm pretty sure it was a critical decision that the bench just would have fallen apart without that blue stain. Or I just wanted to make it look cool. You decide. I think it looks pretty cool. Now I've got bevels all the way around this bench so that I can just run my hands all over it and I'm not getting splinters. The entry and as well as the exits to the dog holes in the top here, they've got bevels around there so that when I get one of these, my Gramercy hold fast, which I have a little bit of leather applied to the foot, that goes in there and it's stuck. So that's good. Dead man works nicely, slides nice and easily. I don't have to bend all the way down to push it from the bottom. It pushes nice and easily from the top. Happy with that. I'm just happy with it. I'm a big fat happy man. Now if you want to build your own, I've got a set of work plans available on my website, which comes with a fairly long-winded and detailed set of build notes. Any little mistakes that are made along the way, I'll say, look, when you get up to this stage, just don't do what I did. And if you want to know more about what I've built, there's already a set of 10 videos up on YouTube detailing every step of the way, starting with a template to create the shape of these front and rear frames. I built the front and rear frames, the side frames, the shelf, sliding dead man, the tops, installing the vices. Yeah, so there's about 10 videos already. Probably 4 hours worth of footage. There'll be a link in the description below for all of this stuff. I'm happy with it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll be back fatter and hopefully better with a different project in the not too distant future. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. This goes in here, sits on a dog under there. That flaps around a little bit. Let's take out that flappiness and we'll put this one in here. Give that a... Now it's held there rock solid. Give it a bit old... I need to sharpen this plane, but